And to the top story from the sports arena, the RCB will take on the Punjab Kings in the IPL finale today. Leaders cutting across party lines in Karnataka have expressed their hope that Royal Challengers Bengaluru would lift its first Indian Premier League trophy. Meanwhile, RCB supporters gathered at the renowned Siddharudha Math in Hubballi to perform a special puja for the team's success, of course. The ritual also included an Abhisheka to Siddharudha Swami with prayers dedicated in the name of Team RCB. In a symbolic gesture, fans also performed puja to a bat and ball, signifying their love for cricket and also unwavering devotion to their favourite team, RCB. So an electrifying match is supposed to happen today. All the fans have already gathered. They are praying for their individual teams, their respective favourite teams, of course. It's going to be a high-octane match today. It's RCB versus PBKS day. Finally, we will see that whether it's going to be the year for Virat Kohli or will Shreyas Iyer snatch the trophy away from his hands. 18 years for the RCB fans for praying for a cup for them. This year specifically is going to be extremely crucial because RCB has reached finale post Virat Kohli announced his retirement from the Test series. So if RCB lifts the cup today, the fans are saying that it's going to be a tribute to King Kohli. My colleague Mohammad Wajiullah joining us on the broadcast. Wajiullah, we know that it's going to be a high-octane match. It's RCB versus PBKS day. We are looking at the visuals popping up from Karnataka as well. The Chief Minister, in fact, Deputy Chief Minister himself has, prayed for the RCB to lift the cup. I, being one of the fans of the RCB, is also praying that Isala Cup naam de.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think that is the only prayer that anybody is praying today, that Isala Cup Namde in the entire city. And where I am right now, I'm trying to give you a top view of the arrangements that have been done by one of the MLAs over here, Priya Krishna. He's arranged this entire ground for the viewing of the match today. And this is at Vijayanagara, where close to 10,000 people are expected to attend and cheer the entire atmosphere. And it is going to be RCB because the way we've performed, Sakshi, that is important, especially how all our batsmen and bowlers have done. And in the last 10 games, what we've seen is that we have had 10 different match winners, 10 different man of the matches. So that clearly indicates that there is no other team that has its chance other than RCB. So it is Isala Cup Namde all the way actually.
Wajiullah, I can see the preparations behind you as well. Is the program for a massive screening scheduled for the people of Bengaluru?
Well, yes, this is one such place where there is screening. They've done it on an open ground, but there are other places. The pubs are filled with match screenings. Then you have every small hall in the area is booked by some family or the other for the screening of RCB. There are people wearing the shirt and walking around on the streets. You have the flag flurling all over, people having it hanging on their vehicles. Some have hoisted on their cars. They're roaming around with RCB fans. So the mood today in Bengaluru is nothing but RCB. The politicians have also decided not to talk a lot, but to keep it to RCB also today. So that is what you're going to hear today. And it is something that I think the city has been waiting for 18 years. Every year we've had this pressure on our players that Isala Cup Namde. We've had so many campaigns for the cup. But this time around, we did not put any pressure on our players. The atmosphere was calm. We let them play, let them enjoy. And what we see is that they were able to put pressure on every team and make sure that they come to final. So this is a very important thing for not just the fans, but for the players also, because they have themselves waited for 18 years. Virat Kohli especially, I think he has waited the longest. He's been the one at the center of it. And now this is the only moment for him because it's his lucky number also. I think that is what the public has also been saying. From morning I was speaking to so many people and everybody believes that they will win it because it is 18th season. Virat Kohli is 18 and this time because it's after 18 years they will win the cup. So let's keep our hope high. Let's hope that in the evening when we meet together after when the match is going on for the live, then we both are able to say RCB, RCB.
Absolutely, Vajula. I can in fact sense the energy coming out from your screens. But last time when we spoke, when you were reporting from the Chinnaswamy Stadium, remember Vajula, when you showed us the fans who were wearing those white jerseys to pay their tribute to Virat Kohli. This time around, we are looking at the RCB's captain Rajat Patidar also being very affirmative and sure that they are going to win the IPL Cup, specifically for Virat Kohli. So it's not only about the RCB, but it's more or less about Virat Kohli this year.
Absolutely, he is one man who stood with the team for the last 18 years. He had opportunities to go to different franchises, but he made it upon himself to make sure that he makes Bangalore win a cup, and that is what he has done. And he stood here, he's patiently stood for 18 years for this particular moment, and there is no feather on in his cap. He's had the ICC World Cup, he's won the 50-50 World Cup, he's one of the best test players India has ever produced. He's had many hats. The IPL Cup is the only thing that is missing from his kitty, and that is something he is all set assured to grab this time around. And he's been playing really well. That is also important. He is not. It's just not a name that is huge and he's not doing any contribution. He is the highest scorer in the IPL, more than 614 runs, and another 100 today. You never know, 714 runs. He'll be the highest performer ever in the IPL. Apart from that, the aggression that he brings. Though Rajat Patidar is our new captain, even Patidar wants it to win because it is for Virat Kohli. So the entire city of Bengaluru is rooting for Virat Kohli. Today morning I met these young cricketers, future prospects for RCB, especially if RCBians are watching. We had a huge group of RCBians for the future with us, so do listen to them. They have also gone on to say, and they've given critical points on why they believe Virat is the reason.
Right, Vajula, please hold on to that thought. I know that you are very excited, just like the other fans of RCB there in Bengaluru. You have already shown us how the preparations for an open air screening has happened there in this city of Bengaluru. But we have got also a ground report coming in from you. Let us show that to our viewers as well.
Today the mood in Bengaluru is
RCB! 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 RCB!
This is how electric for the match tonight. It is RCB Punjab, and both these teams are waiting for the finals, and RCB especially, who's been waiting for so many years, and all these fans who have come here have not just come here to this ground to support RCB. They are organizing a huge screening over here of more than 10,000 people. Chairs have been arranged. All these things have been arranged. 10,000 chairs, 20,000 people sitting all across this place to this, and there will be a screen right in front of this seating, and they all will come here to watch the match. I have the organizers also here. Sir, ivattu first start madana. We'll start with RCB and this thing. Who will win, sir, today?
Of course, RCB, sir.
Huh? You're that sure?
Yeah, we are damn sure.
Sir, but you were sure 18 years, no? 18 years, no?
We were waiting for the right time, and this is the right time, I think. 18, just
So
number 18.
finally, wait is over. Today, we are celebrating like anything. Definitely, RCB will win today, sir.
No, I like our confidence that RCB will win, but how are we so confident? Because for 18 years we didn't.
Actually,
if you
one by one.
Actually, this season, the team is balanced. We are not dependent on any one individual player. So, in all segments, we have the right balanced team. In bowling, in batting, in all-rounder, in spin, calculate everywhere. The team is very balanced. So, this is our confidence this time that we can win the trophy.
Okay. Why do you think we'll win?
Exactly, sir. Sir, as my brother said, RCB is having like bowling and batting both the way. We have Azilud, we have Virat Kohli. Whole world know about Virat Kohli, what he will do today. And if you calculate anywhere, like if you calculate date also, it is 18 today. I mean, if you calculate the month wise and everything, whatever. So, and we waited for 18 years also. So finally, the wait is over. RCB will win.
आपको क्या लगता है कौन जीतेगा?
ये बार आरसीबी जीतेगा 100%।
सबको आरसीबी लगता है।
क्योंकि 18 साल का ये वनवास है, क्योंकि हमारे विराट कोहली का बहुत पसंद इस कप है ऐसा इस ये बार आरसीबी जीतेगा, विराट कोहली कप उठाएगा, ये बार आरसीबी इस बेंगलोर।
अच्छा, अगर if we don't win, then what will happen?
We just don't talk that. Of course we will win.
So we should not talk about it.
वो तो नहीं होगा सर, पक्का आरसीबी जीतेगा सर, पक्का जीतेगा।
वो तो आप ड्रीम में भी मत सोचना कि आरसीबी ऐसा हुआ आरसीबी जीत गया।
अच्छा, ये टाइम आपको लग रहा है हम लोग प्रेशर डाले थे अपने बॉयज पर? Because we did not put pressure, we did not come with the Salah Cup namde. We went calmly this time.
No, for 17 years we were taking the pressure, but this year we are giving the pressure. That is the change we are doing. this time.
Okay, who will be the star batsman sir today according to you?
Black Dragon.
ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ ಸರ್,
Kohli. Kohli out ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
जीतेगा सर, कन्फर्म जीतेगा सर, इसलिए हम लोग कन्फर्म जीतेगा, इसलिए हम लोग नहीं बोला ये साला कप नमदे नहीं बोला, नमदो हो जाएगा, इसलिए ग्राउंड बना के, इसलिए कर्नाटक पहले
उसमें हमारा कर्नाटक के प्लेयर है मयंक अग्रवाल, वो तो मारेगा, मयंक अग्रवाल वो तो मारेगा 50 रन पक्का जीतेगा, ये सारी तक नमते।
Oh, they are fans of Mayank Agarwal also. Sir, what do you think will happen today? हाँ? और ये अरेंजमेंट ये क्या करते हैं?
20,000 people will sit here and watch the great match between RCB and the Punjab teams.
And this is all for free.
All free.
Huh?
This is being arranged by, made by our beloved MLA Priya Krishna sir. Actually, first of all, he is a very sports lover. Any tournament is happening.
he is also a cricket player.
Yeah, he is also a cricket player. For any tournament which is conducting in Govindarajan constituency, for that they will give the ground free.
So this is free for everyone.
Yes,
Everyone free sir.
Okay. So everyone who is near Vijayanagara, this is a spot for you to come here and watch the match. 25,000 people are here. Ground is also being
only one I have to say, for RCB there is VK, for Govindarajan there is PK.
Oh, for Okay, everyone is thinking PK, you're saying Punjab Kings.
No.
Priya
Priya Krishna.
Okay, then RCB is
VK Krishna.
Okay. for Priya Krishna. So this is from Vijayanagara and Bengaluru, where all these people are going to gather today from 6 o'clock onwards, where the screen will be set over here, 25,000, and all of them cheering for All right, so that is the mood over here from this place in Vijayanagara, where the ground is set up for the RCB match tonight, and everyone is waiting for RCB to lift the cup in Bengaluru, and I think that is what will happen.